Hey there, nature lovers. Have you ever wondered about the secrets hidden within the plants around us? Today, I'm diving into the fascinating world of medicinal herbs. Imagine this, thousands of years ago, even Neanderthals were using plants for healing. Yep, it goes way back. Ancient civilizations like the Sumerians, Egyptians, and Greeks all documented their use of medicinal plants. Dioscorides de Materia Medica, written in 60 AD, remained a go-to text for over 1500 years. Fast forward to the Middle Ages, monasteries became the epicenters of medicinal knowledge and herb gardens. Islamic scholars not only translated classical texts, but also added their own valuable insights. Across Europe, herbal traditions developed influenced by local cultures and environments. Figures like Hildegard of Bingen and Abul Qasis left a lasting mark on herbal medicine. The Columbian Exchange mixed things up, introducing new plants to both the Old and New Worlds. In the 19th and 20th centuries, the focus shifted to chemically analyzing plants. Scientists isolated compounds like alkaloids, leading to drugs such as morphine and quinine. Even with the rise of synthetic drugs, plant-based discoveries continued, especially in the field of cancer treatment. This period marked a new era in understanding and applying medicinal plants. Now, let's talk about the present. The World Health Organization estimates that a significant portion of the world's population relies on traditional medicine, which includes medicinal plants. Even in developed countries, the use of herbal products is on the rise, though concerns about safety and efficacy persist. So, what makes these plants so special? They produce phytochemicals for defense and other functions, and some of these have incredible medicinal properties. Think morphine from the opium poppy, digoxin from foxglove, and tannins from various plants. Modern research aims to systematize this knowledge, exploring the vast potential of these natural wonders. Cultivating and using medicinal plants is an art. Each species requires specific conditions for growth, and preparation methods can vary widely. From decoctions to poultices, traditional practices are still alive and well. While modern medicine often extracts and synthesizes specific compounds, the traditional use of whole plants remains prevalent in many parts of the world. So next time you stroll through a garden or forest, remember, you might be walking past nature's own pharmacy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more nature-inspired content.